wait to go trick-or-treating, Sally.
Me neither, Nick. But my mom says we have to.
A ghastly ghosty and a wicky-wacky witch. Oh, it's too terrifying.
It's the cat!
The cat in the hat.
It's only us, Cat.
Nick? Sally?
These are our costumes for trick-or-treating.
Those are two of my favorite things. Let's go!
We can't go now.
My mom says we have to wait till she's finished the housework.
Of course. Or I could take you trick-or-treating the Cat in the Hat way right now.
What's the Cat in the Hat way?
Well, we go right around the world and meet three fantastic friends. Oh, hello. They each show us a trick, and then we all share a treat.
Yay! Let's go!
Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom, can we go around the world trick-or-treating with the Cat in the Hat?
Around the world with the Cat in the Hat? Now, what could be more fun than that? Have fun!
We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
Ooh, I love tricks, but I'm not very good at them.
We'll find a trick for you, Fish.
A really tricky one.
And what a treat that will be! Buckle up! Flick the jigger, my wizard! Isn't this fun?
You have to dress up.
You're right, I do. I'll look for something along the way. Trick or treat or trick. Halloween goodies for Sally and Nick.
Treat or trick, trick or treat.
Three new friends to meet.
Where are we, Cat?
This is the forest of Splish Splashery, where my funny friend Benny lives in a tree. Benny! Oh, Benny!
Boo! Hey, Cat! Got you that time!
Benny, you and your silly spider monkey trick. These are my good friends, Sally and Nick.
Hello. Hi. That was a great trick.
With those long arms and legs, you look just like a big spider.
That's why he's called a spider monkey.
My, you're so clever.
Do you know any more tricks?
More tricks? Watch this! Behind you! Ooh, look at me!
Whoa!
I'm over here now.
Cool! Benny can hang by his tail. Wow!
Great tricks, Benny.
We don't have tails for swinging, but we can. Ooh, 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 ooh. Benny showed us a trick, so we need to give him a treat.
What do you like to eat, Benny?
Mangoes!
Look out!
Aha!
Mangoes. Are they your favorite?
Mangoes, papayas, bananas. I love fruit. This is my treat. So good.
It sure looks yummy.
Can we take some home with us?
Go ahead, help yourself. The forest of Splish Splashery is full of fruit.
Thanks a zillion, Benny, but we have to go. We've got more trick-or-treating to do.
Bye, Benny.
Thanks for the fruit.
Bye-bye.
Trick or treat or trick. Halloween goodies for Sally and Nick.
Treat or trick, trick or treat.
We have two more friends to meet.
Where are we going now, Cat?
Next stop is the island of Hot Sand Sofab. It's the home of Big Bruce, the coconut crab. Ah, look!
Wow, Big Bruce is big.
Snip, snap, hello, cat.
Good day to you, Bruce. These are my friends Sally and Nick.
Hi! Can you show us how to do that cool snapping?
No worries. Do as I do. Raise your arms and snap your claws downwards, like this.
This is a great trick.
We can do this back home.
I love this trick too, but I'm not too good at the snapping part.
Nice snapping, guys.
Now we have to give Bruce a treat.
I wonder what coconut crabs like best.
Coconuts!
My, you're so clever.
I love coconuts, and there's a good bunch up there.
Way up there!
How can we get them down?
If there's coconut picking that needs to be done, just put out a call for Thing 2 and Thing 1.
Here's a coconut treat for you, Bruce.
Aw, thanks, guys.
But how can you eat it?
Coconut shells are so hard. My mom uses a hammer to crack them open.
Bruce doesn't need a hammer. He has another great trick.
Cool! Your claws are really strong.
Why not take some home with you? There's plenty of coconuts for everyone.
Thanks, Bruce.
That's a great treat.
Well, we better take off, Bruce. We still have more trick-or-treating to do.
Bye. See you later.
Snip, snap. See you later.
Trick or treat, treat or trick. Halloween goodies for Sally and Nick.
Treat or trick, trick or treat.
We still have one more friend to meet.
Yay! Look at all the sand.
And it's so hot.
Of course, we're in the desert. And those rocks are the home of Babu the fruit bat.
Cool.
Look, there's a cave.
And there's Babu.
I feel a little woozy.
Babu's flying is a spooky Halloween trick.
Here comes the best bit.
An upside-down landing. Awesome.
Hello, cat.
And hello to you, my old friend Babu.
Hi, I'm Sally.
And I'm Nick. Can we hang with you?
Be my guest.
Yoo-hoo! Babu! Look at us!
I love this trick.
Look at me. I'm upside down, too. It's a trick I can do.
And look at me.
Yes!
I'm okay. Ooh. What are these squidgy things?
They look like big raisins.
Nah, they're dates. Lovely, luscious dates.
Oh!
My favorite food. You gotta try 'em, but watch out for the pit in the middle.
A treat and a trick. Now, wasn't that quick?
Hey, great to see you guys, but I have to skedaddle. Bye!
Bye, Babu!
What's that noise?
Babu and his pals have another trick.
Wow!
That was a great trick.
The very best way to trick and to treat is to have lots of fun and good food to eat.
I sure hope someone asks for a trick.
We know 3 good ones now.
I can't wait to go trick-or-treating.
But you still don't have a costume, Cat.
Yes, I do. Well, didn't I find a great way to use all the fruit we collected?
They make a great hat.
Trick or treat, treat or trick. Halloween goodies for Sally and Nick.
Treat or trick, trick or treat.
3 fine friends that we did meet.
Now this is what you call an amazing Halloween trick. Today, I have a really tough question for you. When you walk, you usually walk straight ahead. But which way does a fiddler crab like to walk best? Ha! You'll never guess this one. So, which way does a fiddler crab like to walk best? Did I hear someone say sideways? That's right. You got it this time, but next time, I'll stump you for sure. Fiddler